First thing you're going to want to do is, if you already do not have the Moonpay app, you are going to need to get it. Now you can get it on Google Play or App Store like so. And once you have the app, you simply want to open it and you'll be brought to this page right here after you sign up with your email or phone number to easily create an account. Once you're on this page, you simply want to click on the buy option right here. And when you click on buy, you can actually see its currently default setting is Bitcoin. You simply want to click on Bitcoin and you can actually change the currency just by scrolling down and finding the crypto coin that you want to buy or searching for any coin on this app. Now you can buy all of them unless it is an extremely newly created meme coin or just coin in general. But how you can buy one is you can buy them all the exact same way. You can simply click on the coin you want to buy, enter in the dollar amount that you actually want to get, and it will show you how many coins you're actually getting for the price that you are paying. This is $1,000. You can see I'm getting 1,000 of this coin, but keep in mind all coins have different values, so you'll get different amount of coins for different amount of dollar values spent. Once you do that, you click on continue, where you want to verify your account with your photo ID so you actually can buy this coin. Then click on continue, where from here you can simply change your payment method, changing with Apple Pay or card like so. And when you go back, you can click on choose a wallet. If you don't want to send it to your Moonpay wallet address, you can enter in your wallet address to another app on this page right here. Once you've done that, you simply click on the buy option on the bottom of the screen, the pay option, and the balance will actually show up in your account right here. And you can do this the same way for all coins.